time to release that you
Man,
can use
whatever.
my likeness in none of these videos.
This is my general contractor, Mr. Chris.
Hello, how y'all doing?
New Creation Construction. Y'all, please don't use do not use my contract unless I'm finished with him, okay? Cause y'all be asking me now. I'm like, let him do my stuff first, and then he can get y'all, okay?
I'm not gonna say nothing. Call me.
All right. You got to leave. Oh, you said call me. I heard you.
Mm-hmm.
Goodness. I did get somebody on your number the other day though, but I guess they didn't call you, did they?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I'm trying to like do it without being live. Y'all, they changed the opening. This wasn't even an opening. The opening was on this side, but now it's on this side. This is the laundry room. They changed the position of the water, the water hose too. You got Mr. Sir. Oh, I'm sorry. You want me on camera?
Huh?
You want me on camera? This is the electrician guy.
Yeah,
How you doing?
Electric.
What's it called?
Bowman Electric.
Bowman Electric. How you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. He's not available too, y'all.
We always available. I'll see you later, Chris.
All right. Thank you. This is the dining area. This is gonna be the kitchen. All right. Okay. Y'all wanted to see so far how it goes. Oh yeah, the popcorn ceiling is no longer here. Thank God. Whew. Jesus. Because park on the ceiling dates the house, but it's been removed, so it's smooth, y'all. All right. I'll post another video soon once almost everything's done. Okay, bye.